Hey, this is Jim with Diesel Geek, and today I'm going to show you how to get the side-to-side bell crank ready to be installed in an MQ250 transmission. That's 5-speed in the United States from 2006 to 2019. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the side-to-side cable end from the side-to-side bracket. And what we want to get to is we want to get to this. We want to convert the cable end from factory to high performance inserts like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to first, there's a bump on the side-to-side bracket that you have to get the cable end past. So you just kind of twist, and it'll start to push down that bump, and you just do that until you remove the cable end. So once you have the cable end removed, you're going to gut the cable end, and the first step is going to be to rip the center out of the cable end like that. You just grab it with the needle nose pliers and twist. And once that's out, you get into the bottom and you grab the soft rubber, and you're just going to twist and twist until the guts are out. So here we have the insert, well actually the cable end without anything in it. This is fiberglass reinforced plastic. It's very tough, and it will last a long time. It's almost under no load on the side to side. So once you have that, then you want to set that down and then take your side to side bracket, and you want to take the bolt out, and you're going to take the inserts out. We're going to install the insert hole toward the spring. So it's going to go back here toward the spring, like so. And then take the other one off the bolt and do the same thing. So once you've done that, you've converted the cable end over. And then the bolt has two washers. They need to stay on there. You go through, and then we're going to there's also a washer, there's a washer, this is a thrust washer that goes right here, and it sticks up off of the aluminum just a little bit. So we're going to go in here and thread the bolt in, and the hole has blue Loctite in it, so it might get tough like halfway through there, but just get a wrench and turn it until it's almost snug. So once it's snug and it's harder to turn, then you want to back off just a little bit to where it's easy to turn. And then over here we're going to take the nut that we supply in the kit, and we're going to thread it onto the back side of the bolt. And then you just make sure that the nut is snug, the bolt is snug, and then just back off a hair. And you're going to take another wrench and you're just going to tighten it. And the blue Loctite will hold everything in place. And just make sure that you can move the cable end freely. And once you can do that, you've converted it over. The only other thing that you're going to do now is you're going to put on the slider that the kit came with. It's either going to be the Sigma slider for the Sigma shifter, or it's going to be this white plastic slider for if you're using this as a repair part. And once you've done these things, the kit it's ready to install, and you can open up the fingers like that and get it ready to install. And that's it.